Hi, today is March 31st, 2012. I thought I'd give everyone an update. The wind is currently gusting from 16.1 to 28.5 mile an hour for Saturday. Last Monday, I had a wind that recorded 79.5, and the problem I had with that is it burned the controller out. Also messed up this 1000 watt grid tie inverter. I had to change all the fuses out of it, and it's still not working right, so I got to figure out what's wrong with that. This controller looks okay, but it's still kind of iffy. I'm not sure about it. This one, if you look at it, it is burnt, and that was connected to the big 700 watt one. 700 watt turbine, I should say. So what I've done to do a quick fix is I put in two inverters. They're actually both hooked up for the dummy load 3-phase, and it says it'll shut off when it's not working right. Currently getting 99 watts, 100 watts in that area, 97 watts for the solar panel, and we were up to, but that's a high reading earlier, but we were pushing about 350 watts or so between the two turbines. So the other thing that I had to do was to reinforce the turbine, put a guide wire up, probably put a couple more up, and take the cone off that one up there. It's making too much noise. The cone was making a lot of noise. It became loose, and so I took the cone off and just left the props on. Let's see, 180. Anyway, that's it.